Hey College Park, it's Sahil. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to utilize Tabroom. Tabroom is essential for debaters to make sure you get to your round on time. If you have any specific questions about Tabroom, I will have timestamps on this video. The link to Tabroom is in the description. Let's get started. Once you're signed in or logged in, you'll be shown this page right here. If you go to the top right here and click on your email, you'll be shown this page. Then go to current and it'll show you the current entries for the tournament that you're in. Right now we are not in a tournament, so it's blank. If you want to see your judge's paradigm, just go to the top right here and click on paradigm, and you can search your judge's name so you can see what they're looking for in a round. Now let's look at an example of a notification from Tabroom. Now we are here in my email, and here this is a email from Tabroom, and it's showing the round I'm in, as well as the judge who is judging the round, as well as a room number. This is just a Tabroom email notification, but you could also put on phone notifications in the settings of Tabroom. Let's show you how to do that. So head back to Tabroom, and then you want to go to this icon here that looks like a person. When you click on that, it'll show you all of your information. But here, if you go down here and it says send no emails or text, make sure that this is not checked and press saved changes. So you can have them send emails and text to you whenever your round is ready. If you guys have any other questions, you guys can contact me on this email address, or you guys can join the band app for our College Park debate program, which will also be in the video description. Bye.